In this video, I'll show you how Juji uses the power of generative AI to auto-generate personalized suggestions for your conversational survey chatbot quickly and efficiently. This helps to speed up both development and deployment times. Firstly, preview the conversational chatbot you created by clicking Preview on the left-hand menu. This will help you get a feel for what you have created before we add in a personalized suggestion. Once you've previewed your chatbot, go to Design, Main Chat Flow. Now at the end of your current conversation, create a new topic card by clicking the green plus sign. When asked what do you want your chatbot to do, click Send a Message. When asked what kind of message will the chatbot send, click Personalized Message General. At the top of the settings for this topic card, you'll see an area to add a label. Add in Send Personalized Wellness Message. Scroll down to the section Use Generative AI to Draft Messages and click on the radio button Suggest Something. In the field below that, enter the text Wellness Exercises. Click Auto-Generate. Once the generation is complete, click OK. Whilst you were previewing your chatbot, you would have answered two important questions. Could you please tell me about yourself? And what are your hobbies or extracurricular activities do you enjoy? When you answered these questions, Juji used your answers to extrapolate your personality type. Based on that type, for example, thinker, investigative and thoughtful, you will now have generated personal suggestions on wellness exercises. So under thinker, investigative and thoughtful, it starts wellness exercises are an important part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If we look under maker, it starts the same, but the second sentence is different. Not only do they help to improve physical health, but they also help to reduce stress and improve mental health. As you work your way through each of the personality types, the text will be different. The ability to make a personalized suggestion at the end of a conversation is so powerful and nearly impossible with other chatbot and conversational AI platforms without some serious coding. Remember, Juji is a true no-code platform. You can now preview your chatbot again to see your personalized suggestion from the no-code Juji chatbot you just created.